Hello everyone, and I hope you're having a wonderful day. Have you ever wondered how bamboo shoots are transformed into flavorful fermented kimchi inside a high-tech factory? From freshly harvested bamboo shoots deep in lush forests to precisely controlled fermentation tanks, this process is far more complex than it seems. In today's video, we'll take you inside a modern industrial facility to uncover every step behind bamboo shoots kimchi production. And by the end of this video, I'll also share useful tips on how to store and enjoy this unique product in your daily life. Before we begin, let me know in the comments, which country are you watching from, and what time is it there right now? At the edge of modern food technology, a highly advanced factory quietly transforms simple bamboo shoots into a globally loved fermented delicacy. Behind these stainless steel walls lies a perfectly synchronized system where precision, hygiene, and automation come together in harmony. From the very first moment, every machine, conveyor, and control panel is calibrated to handle bamboo shoots with exact accuracy. This facility is designed to operate continuously, processing tons of raw bamboo shoots every day with minimal human intervention. Advanced robotics and digital monitoring systems ensure that every stage flows seamlessly into the next. Interestingly, many of these factories combine traditional fermentation knowledge with cutting-edge engineering. What I personally find fascinating is how such a natural ingredient like bamboo shoots can be processed in such a futuristic environment. And this is just the beginning, because the journey of bamboo shoots is about to take a much deeper transformation in the next stage.
See this sensor here? It needs calibration, otherwise the feed rate will be unstable.
Every great product begins with its raw ingredients, and in this case, everything starts deep within bamboo forest where fresh bamboo shoots are harvested. These shoots must be collected at the right time to ensure optimal texture and flavor. Once harvested, they are quickly transported under controlled conditions to preserve freshness. Upon arrival at the factory, bamboo shoots undergo strict inspection. Each batch is evaluated for size, color, and overall quality before being accepted into the production line. Even the slightest imperfection can affect the final taste of the kimchi. An interesting fact is that bamboo shoots are highly sensitive to environmental changes, which is why timing and transportation conditions are critical. In my opinion, this stage plays a crucial role in determining the final product quality, because what happens next will begin to reveal how raw bamboo shoots are prepared for transformation.
See this spot right here? This indicates early spoilage.
Yes, the fibers look soft. We should isolate these immediately.
Everything is checked and ready, sir.
Looks good.
As the bamboo shoots enter the cleaning system, they are immediately subjected to a powerful and carefully controlled washing process. High-pressure water jets remove dirt, debris, and any impurities that may have accumulated during harvesting. Multiple stages of cleaning ensure that every surface of the bamboo shoots is thoroughly sanitized before further processing. Advanced sensors detect and remove defective pieces, maintaining strict quality standards. But what happens in the next stage is where the real transformation begins. Interestingly, this process uses a combination of water pressure, motion, and filtration to achieve near-perfect cleanliness without damaging the delicate structure of the bamboo shoots. What I personally find fascinating is how such a simple step requires such precise engineering. Once cleaned and sorted, the bamboo shoots are now ready to undergo their first major physical transformation. At this stage, the bamboo shoots begin their first structural transformation. High-speed industrial blades slice them into uniform pieces, preparing them for consistent seasoning and fermentation. Precision is critical here, as even slight variations can affect the final texture. Once cut, the bamboo shoots are evenly coated with salt. This step is not just for flavor. It plays a vital role in drawing out excess moisture and reducing natural bitterness. The controlled salting process begins to soften the bamboo shoots while preparing them for fermentation. An interesting fact is that salting also helps create the ideal environment for beneficial bacteria to thrive later in the process. In my opinion, this stage is one of the most important foundations for the entire production line. From here, the bamboo shoots are no longer just raw ingredients. They are ready to enter a completely new phase of transformation.
The flow rate seems stable on this section. Keep an eye on the automated dispenser levels. Yes, sir. We are checking them every hour.
Now, the bamboo shoots enter a stage where flavor begins to take shape. Inside large industrial mixers, they are combined with a carefully balanced blend of chili paste, garlic, ginger, and other seasonings. Every ingredient is measured with precision to ensure consistency across thousands of batches. As the mixing process begins, the bamboo shoots are slowly coated in a rich, vibrant seasoning. The texture changes almost immediately, becoming more complex and visually striking. But what happens next may surprise you, because this mixture is about to come alive in ways you might not expect. Interestingly, the balance of seasoning not only defines taste, but also directly influences the fermentation process. What I personally find fascinating is how flavor and science are deeply interconnected at this stage. With every strand of bamboo shoots fully coated, the mixture is now ready to enter the most critical phase of all.
Ensure the seasoning application is uniform at this speed. Looks good from here. I just calibrated this.
As the seasoned bamboo shoots are transferred into massive fermentation tanks, a silent transformation begins. Inside these sealed environments, temperature, humidity, and time are carefully controlled to create ideal conditions for beneficial bacteria to grow. At first, the changes are subtle. Tiny bubbles begin to form as microorganisms start breaking down sugars within the bamboo shoots. This is the beginning of fermentation, a natural yet highly controlled process. What I personally find fascinating about this stage is the level of precision involved. Even slight variations in temperature or timing can significantly impact the final taste and texture. Over time, the bamboo shoots begin to develop their signature tangy flavor, and this is only the beginning, because the next stage will take this transformation even further. As fermentation continues, the bamboo shoots undergo a deeper and more complex transformation. The color intensifies, the texture softens, and the flavor profile becomes richer and more balanced. Inside the tanks, microbial activity reaches its peak. Acidity levels rise, and the characteristic aroma of kimchi begins to fully develop. This is the moment where the product truly becomes what we recognize as fermented bamboo shoots kimchi. The next step may completely change how this product looks, smells, and tastes. Interestingly, fermentation not only enhances flavor, but also improves digestibility and introduces beneficial probiotics. In my opinion, this stage is where science and nature work together most beautifully. With the fermentation complete, the product is finally ready to be evaluated before reaching consumers.
The gravity is stable and the pH levels are within the approved parameters for the lager.
Excellent. Looks good.
Before the bamboo shoots kimchi can move forward, it must pass through strict quality control. In modern laboratories, every batch is carefully tested for pH levels, microbial safety, texture, and flavor consistency. Advanced instruments analyze even the smallest details, ensuring that the product meets international food safety standards. At the same time, trained specialists perform sensory evaluations, checking aroma, color, and taste. An interesting fact is that even with full automation, human expertise still plays a critical role in maintaining quality. What I personally find fascinating is how technology and human judgment complement each other here. Only after passing all these tests can the bamboo shoots kimchi proceed to the next stage, where it will finally be prepared for the market.
As you can see on the graph here, the lactic acid levels are exactly what we expected.
Yes, and the color stabilization of this batch.
Here are the results for the kimchi batch. Supervisor?
Everything seems to be in order. Well done.
With quality confirmed, the bamboo shoots kimchi moves into the packaging phase, where speed and precision take center stage. Automated systems carefully portion the fermented bamboo shoots into containers, ensuring consistency in weight and presentation. Each package is then sealed in a controlled environment to maintain freshness and prevent contamination. Vacuum sealing and airtight lids help preserve the flavor, texture, and probiotic benefits developed during fermentation. Interestingly, modern packaging technology not only protects the product, but also extends its shelf life significantly. What I personally find fascinating is how this stage combines hygiene, engineering, and efficiency into one seamless process. From here, the bamboo shoots kimchi is no longer just a product in production. It is now ready to begin its journey to consumers around the world. Once packaged, the Bamboo Shoots kimchi enters a carefully managed cold chain distribution system. Temperature-controlled storage and transportation ensure that the product maintains its quality from factory to store shelves. From large refrigerated warehouses to delivery trucks traveling across cities and countries, every step is designed to preserve freshness. Eventually, the product reaches supermarkets, where it is displayed for consumers. But what happens next is something we can all relate to. This is the moment the product meets the customer. As shoppers browse the shelves, they examine the packaging, read the labels, and make their choice. What I personally find fascinating is how this entire industrial journey leads to a simple, everyday decision, picking a product from a shelf. And just like that, the Bamboo Shoots kimchi becomes part of someone's daily life.
This bamboo shoot kimchi is excellent. It's fermented perfectly, very crisp.
It looks wonderful. Thank you.
That'll be $3.50, please.
In everyday life, Bamboo Shoots kimchi becomes far more than just a preserved food. It becomes a versatile and dynamic part of daily meals, whether served as a refreshing side dish, incorporated into hot dishes, or enjoyed straight from the container. It offers a unique balance of sourness, spice, and umami. Its texture, both crunchy and tender, makes it especially appealing in contrast with grilled meats, rice dishes, or even modern fusion recipes. In many households, Bamboo Shoots kimchi is not just an addition, but a core element that enhances the entire dining experience. What many people may not realize is that fermented Bamboo Shoots kimchi contains beneficial probiotics, which can support gut health and digestion when consumed regularly. It is also relatively low in calories while being rich in fiber, making it a smart addition to a balanced diet. In my opinion, what makes this product truly fascinating is its adaptability. It can be used in traditional meals, quick snacks, or even creative cooking experiments. And yet, to fully enjoy its flavor and benefits, understanding how to use it correctly becomes essential because the next step is all about maximizing both taste and quality.
This kimchi is incredible. Seriously spicy though.
I know, right? I think it's the bamboo shoots.
To the chef.
Here is our signature bamboo shoot kimchi, madam.
It looks absolutely delicious, chef. Thank you.
Here is the bamboo shoot kimchi you ordered. Enjoy your meal.
It looks delicious. Thank you.
To truly preserve the quality of Bamboo Shoots kimchi, proper storage and handling are essential. This product should always be kept refrigerated, ideally between 0 degrees Celsius and 5 degrees Celsius, to maintain its optimal fermentation balance and prevent over-acidification. When serving, it is important to use clean utensils every time. This simple habit helps prevent contamination and preserves the natural microbial balance inside the container. Avoid mixing used utensils directly into the main container, as this can shorten the product's shelf life. Another useful tip is to consume the kimchi within a reasonable time after opening. While fermentation continues slowly in the refrigerator, the flavor will gradually become stronger and more sour. Some people enjoy this deeper taste, while others prefer it fresh, so timing matters. If you notice excess liquid forming, this is completely normal. It is a natural byproduct of fermentation and can even be used as a flavorful base for cooking. In my opinion, small details like proper storage, clean handling, and mindful consumption can significantly enhance both the taste and safety of the product. From the forests where bamboo shoots are harvested to high-tech factories where they are transformed, and finally into your home, this journey reflects a remarkable blend of nature, science, and culture. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end of this video. If you found this production journey of bamboo shoots kimchi interesting, please comment one below. If you think it could be better, feel free to comment 0 or share your thoughts. Also, tell me in the comments, what production process would you like to see in the next video? Your support truly motivates me to keep creating more videos like this. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.
The key is the fermentation. You don't want to cook it too long, just enough to release the aroma. It pairs exceptionally well with fatty pork.
Ah, I see. So that's our delicious bamboo kimchi. It's the perfect addition to any meal. Thank you for watching. Enjoy!